Unlock the potential of passive income with Shopify's affiliate program. Join a community of entrepreneurs and start earning by promoting one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. Whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just passionate about online business, you can earn generous commissions for every referral. Don't just dream about financial freedom. Make it a reality with Shopify. Sign up today and turn your influence into income. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money with Shopify affiliate program. So first of all you have to do is open a web browser and dive into shopify.com. So this is the home page as you can see. First of all, let's know what is Shopify. Shopify affiliate program allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's e-commerce platform. Affiliates can share unique referral links with the audience, and when someone signs up for Shopify through that link, the affiliate earns a commission. This program is ideal for bloggers, influencers, and anyone with an online presence looking to monetize their content while helping others start their own online stores. So the first thing that you have to do is just click over apply now. Then you will find here apply to become a Shopify affiliate. We have you earn commission by referring you or established merchants to build their business on a Shopify store. So you click over sign up and you have here contract terms for Shopify. So you choose your country here and then you scroll down and you read this information. Then you click over accept. Once you're there, you will find here sign up and start earning. To get started, please sign up and create an account. So you click over sign up here, or you can use also other options like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Apple, or X. So for example, I will click over sign up with Google. Then you will find this page and you write your first name, your last name, your username, your email address, your password, and you choose your country. Also, you write your number of phone. Then you click over get started. Once you do that, you will find this page. How would you categorize your business? Select the option that best describes how to interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brands learn more about your business. Select the option that best describes how you interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brands learn more about your business. So for example, here we have social influencer, content and reviews, loyalty rewards, we have your campaigns, email and newsletter, search and comparison, then we have network here, technology solution, we have of course audience monetization, and then after you choose this one of them, you have just to click over continue. And then you'll find this page. We have here add social. You can add more than one account from each type of social platforms. For example, Instagram, Facebook, X, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, WeChat, Weibo. So then after choose the one you want, you'll find this page. Tell us about yourself. If you choose individuals, you'll write here account display name, country region, well, the first street address, the second street address, your city, your zip code, then time zone here, and then we have your currency. Also, you choose dollar or euro or other things. Then you click over submit. But if you want to choose company, you have just to write account display name, company website, LinkedIn company page, country or region here. Then we have the first street address, the second street address. Then we have your city also, and then we have zip code. Then time zone also and currency. Then you click over submit. So if you come back here, we have become a Shopify affiliate. Earn commission when you refer new merchants to select Shopify plans or Shopify point of sale. Then we have here two ways to refer and earn. The first one, Shopify plan referrals get paid when you refer new merchants to eligible Shopify plans. Then we have your Shopify Plus Pro referrals, earn up to $150 for every eligible point of sale pro referral. Then if we scroll down, we have here also 2,000 of affiliates from across the globe. We are committed to success. And then we have a frequently asked questions. For example, what is the Shopify affiliate program? The Shopify affiliate program includes entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, and content creators who inspire and teach their audience about entrepreneurship with Shopify. The program is free to join and allows you to monetize your audience and earn commissions from each new Shopify merchant referral. Then we have here what requirements do I need to meet to apply. To apply, you must firstly own and run an active website, then have an established audience, then create original content such as online courses, seminars, blog posts, or videos. Then you have an experience with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms. Then we have the last one, which is have read and agreed to the Shopify Partners Program Agreement. Then we have other questions like how will I know if my application is accepted? Can I become a Shopify affiliate in any country? How are referrals tracked? What is the commission structures? Then we have how does payment work? What information can I track about the merchants? Refer them what are Shopify's brand guidelines. So if you are looking to leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for the Shopify affiliate program, there are some strategies and tips for each. The first one, you have YouTube. For example, we have this one, top 10 Shopify dropshipping products for February. For example, this person is just searching here, starting creating content. As you can see, if we scroll down, we will find here the link below in the comment section. As you can see, if you click over it, he will earn commission. So this is how it works with Shopify. So YouTube is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, allowing you to create in-depth content that engages viewers and builds trust. By producing product reviews, tutorials, and unboxing videos, you can showcase the benefits of various products sold through Shopify stores. Be sure to include your affiliate links in the video description, making it easy for viewers to purchase what they see. Engaging visuals and informative content can lead to higher conversion rates, as viewers are more likely to trust recommendations from video creators they follow. Then we have TikTok also. TikTok thrives on creativity and short-form content, making it an ideal platform for promoting Shopify products in fun and engaging ways. By creating quick products demos, participating in trending challenges, or utilizing popular sounds. You can capture the attention of a wide audience. Use your bio link to direct followers to affiliate products, and incorporate relevant hashtags like hashtag Shopify finds to increase visibility. The platform's full nature means that even a single well-crafted video can significantly boost your full sales. Then we have also Instagram. So Instagram is perfect for visual showcasing products, making it a key platform for affiliate marketing. By utilizing shoppable posts, you can tag products directly in your images, allowing followers to easily explore and purchase. So this is how it works with Shopify. So we can just start it right now. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.